Perfect. Kaya pala nandyan yung ano ko. Thank you. Hey friends, we just got home. It's already 2 a.m. I just wanted to share with you my mouth tape. Ito talaga yung nakaka-help sa akin. As in, sleep tight talaga ako, no joke. And as a girl na parang laging pagod, na tumutulong na ako. But yeah, honestly, I find it so helpful. Hey friends, so today is Sunday. It's 7 o'clock p.m. Don't mind my hair, kakauwi ko lang from my pickleball game. I'm so happy guys, ang dami kong naging game kanina. Parang naka 10 games ata ako. I'm so happy. Grabe yung pawis ko. Parang kahit hindi ako nakapag-run nung morning, I feel like naging productive pa din ako dahil ang dami naging game and we actually had fun. Nakita nyo lang, kung nakita nyo sa video, we have, a Valentine's special sa event namin kanina. So, kain and then play. But, this is something special that I really want to share with you guys. I just bought my new paddle. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, ang ganda nyo. Meron talaga akong na-check out. But kinancel ko siya. Kasi na-realize ko na, mura nga siya. Nakatipid nga ako. Pero hindi naman siya yung quality na magugustuhan ko. And the good thing is that, yung mismo nagbebenta is pumunta siya sa game namin kanina. Tapos nagbenta siya neto. And then yung iba't ibang iba't ibang paddle ng pickleball. But I got the cheaper one, which is 2,599. The brand is Sky Warrior Velo Series. Look at that, guys. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. As in, hope you can see it. Sobrang. Nung ginamit ko na siya kanina, naintindihan ko na iba talaga kapag maganda yung ginagamit mong paddle. And, you know what, guys? Parang hindi ko na kailangan ng bulaklak. Kasi ito na yun eh. ayun. Sobrang ganda lang, guys. Ito na talaga era natin sa pickleball feeling. Hindi, ayun lang. Just wanted to share with you guys. Pinili din sa akin to. Pickleball na siya, sister.
Bawal. Tanggalin nyo. Tanggalin natin kung ano. Tanggalin natin kung ano.
Tanggalin nyo. Baka kaya.
Okay, okay.
Kami lang yung talo dito. Ako sabihan dito, oh.
Okay, natin.
Gumaganda talaga.
Nakatawa talaga. Walang ligi. Hindi tayo dito, tayo pa. Kasi may space dito, mataas to, oh.
Mamagsak eh. Mamagsak eh.
Kaya yan dito, eh, oh. Ito yung laki.
Matibay ito. Walang nakasandal. Walang nakadikit. Okay.
Nakadikit siya sa tayo.
Okay.
Oh!
Yabo.
Pati kami na ano yan. Thank you.
We have a winner. Okay, so first placer natin, si Musaido. Team Zeus.
Ang journal journal.
And so, starting today, nag-document na ako because I'm gonna miss this. Not this exactly, but, yung ngipin ko. It's kinda sad kasi kailangan talaga siyang i-remove kasi naapektuhan na siya ng bukol. But yeah, it is what it is. I just need to accept that. But at some point, I hate it. Well, I guess this is the consequence na din kasi tinis ko siya eh. So, at first, akala ko wala lang siya. I never thought na aabot ako sa ganito na kailangan ko siyang paoperahan. At aabot na kailangan tanggalin yung ngipin ko. I know some of my friends, alam nila kung gaano ko iniingatan yung ngipin ko and I really love it. Or how I take care of it. That's why nung sinabi rin nila, hala, ganyan, di ba? Kasi, di ba, gustong pa naman yung ngipin mo. But, yes, it is what it is. We just need to accept it. So, this is how it looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but, yes, so, our plan, at least, pagpasok ng March, nanood na siya. It was supposed to be on January, but, so many things happened. Hanggang sa namove na lang siya netong March. So, hoping that mangyari nang dapat mangyari. Parang hindi na rin ako na-bother. Kasi honestly, I'm slowly losing my confidence because of this. Kasi I feel like masyado na siya malaki. Ang dami ng taong tumitingin sa akin. There are sometimes na gusto ko na lang mag-face mask and ayoko na lumabas. So, ganun siya nakaka-apekto sa akin. But yeah, I'll take you guys on this journey. No. Hey friends, so today is Saturday, February 28. It's 5:22 p.m. Kakauwi-uwi ko lang din from our training. Training lang kami ng mga bagets for our upcoming league. And right now, we've decided to go out. Mag-shabu-shabu daw kami. And honestly, tinatamad na ako mag-makeup kasi sobrang init sa labas. Parang ayoko na malabas but I don't have a choice kasi lilibre tayo so why not, diba? And by the way, dahil ayoko na mag-makeup, I will be using my favorite lip balm. Nabura na siya guys, but this is from Nivea. I don't know how to pronounce it, but look. Wala na talaga siya kasi gamit na gamit ko siya. But nag-order na ako, inaantay ko na lang. I've been using this for almost 2 years now, I guess. And then, I just saw this online before may ginagamit akong sunscreen which is the Dear Glimmy, but hindi ko na siya mahanap. I don't know if hindi na nagbebenta, but I tried, to look for, but I can't find it. So, natry ko to sa pamangkin ko, and I like it, so why not? This is SPF 50 PA++++, ceramide, vitamin C, and tremella. This is 50 grams. I love it, guys. Sobrang mabilis niyang i-absorb ng face ko. Alam niyo guys, na-decide ko talaga na mag-sunscreen kasi nga nararamdaman ko na yung init pag lumalabas ako, and umitim talaga ako ngayon kasi super sideline naman si sister. Pumipito-pito siya, ganun. Look, this is easy to blend. And sobrang bilis i-absorb ng face ko. Look at that. That's it. Look. Don't know if you can see it. But yes, that's all. I will take you guys with me sa Saturday again and again. We're currently walking, going to SM. Hey friends, today is Monday, March. Oh, yes, today is March 3. Nag-prep lang ako. We're going to SM Marikina kasi finally, magkapalaboratory na tayo para ma-schedule na yung operation natin. Thank you, Lord. 2 months ko inantay. Almost 3 months tayo nag-antay for this. Hindi na ako magme-makeup kasi very quick lang naman. Hindi na rin ako maglalagay ng accessory kasi alam niyo na kapag ganun, may mga x-rays, hindi na nire-require. As always, we'll be using our lip balm. Anyways, guys, di ba sinabi ko sa inyo, paubos na siya. So, let's open yung parcel na dumating sa akin. Finally, hindi na tayo mag-TTS dito. But of course, hanggat nakikita pa natin meron siya, gagamitin pa natin siya. Kasi sayang guys, sobrang helpful nito. Before, bitak-bitak bitak-bitak lagi yung lips ko. Dahil ko siya binabakbak. At some point, nagdudugo na siya. So, tsaka pag nagra-run din ako guys, syempre nadadry yung lips ko. Most of the time, ginagamit ko siya. So, may reserve na tayo. I really love it, guys. And quick contact lenses lang tayo. Anyways, sobrang lapit lang naman sa amin ang SM Marikina. Walking distance lang. 5 minutes. Depende sa lakad ko dahil ako ay maliit ang bias. So, I don't know. Bakit pagdating sa left ay ko, hirap na hirap akong i-enter ang what the. Pagdating sa left eye ko, lagi akong hirap na hirap mag-contact lens. I don't know why. Sheesh. Ay, natanggal. The best ka. Okay, ang ganda ng contact lens ka, diba? It looks natural. Same, we will be using our sunscreen from Original. Dahil magka-face mask lang din naman tayo, wag na tayong mag-makeup. That's all. Diba? Ang bilis niya i-absorb. It's approved. And then, mag-blower lang ako very quick lang. Kasi ayoko lumalabas ng basang-basang hair. And then, after this, alis na tayo. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-blow dry ng hair. Pupunta na tayo sa SM Marikina. But, dito ko na lang tatapusin yung video na to. Kasi I will be uploading separate video before and after my surgery. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!